Hello dear students, welcome back to our channel Bhavani Commerce Academy. Today we will see measures of central tendency. So it is a chapter of business statistics. Okay. So here measures of central tendency gives an idea about a concentration of the values in central part of distribution. Measures of central tendency is also known as averages. Averages are the values which lies between smallest and largest observations. Okay, it is the mean of the given data. Okay, so we have 5 important averages. What are the 5 important averages? Arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean, median and mode. So these are the 5 important averages, 5 important measures of central tendency. Okay, all these averages can be calculated for individual series, discrete series and continuous series. So what is individual series, what is discrete and continuous series? Let's see. So from averages, what is the first average? Arithmetic mean. It is the most popular method of calculating average. Okay. So it is calculated by dividing the sum of all the observations with the sum of observations. That means it can be calculated for grouped data or ungrouped data. With frequency or without frequency, we can calculate arithmetic mean. So without frequency means that is individual series. If it is individual series, how to identify individual series of arithmetic mean? It consists of values of variables. It does not have frequencies. That means only in the question they will give only values of variables. Frequencies will not give. Okay, so then that will be called as individual series. Only x values untai, frequency values undavu. That is individual series. Okay, so what is the formula individual series? X bar is nothing but mean. X bar is nothing but mean. So mean is equals to summation of x divided by n. So this symbol is called summation. Summation means total. Total of x divided by n. See here, summation of x is equals to sum of various values of variables. So in the question, x values are available. The total should be called as summation of x. Okay, what is n here? In individual series, only in individual series, n is equals to number of observations. How many numbers are there? How many x values are there? That should be called as n. Okay. Number of observations. So that is individual series. And coming to discrete series. Discrete series consist variables and frequencies. That means in the question, you are having x values as well as frequency values. Then it will be called as discrete series. So what is the formula here? Mean x bar is equals to summation of fx divided by n. Summation of fx divided by n. So you will have frequencies as well as x values in your question. Just multiply both x and f values. You will get one column. The total should be called as summation of fx divided by n. N is nothing but in discrete series n is equals to total frequency. See here, in individual series number of observations, in discrete series total frequency, because here frequency is available. If you have frequency, take the frequency total, that should be n. Okay, summation of f, total of f. Okay, next, then continuous series. In the continuous series, variables are given in class intervals. So, mid values are taken into proceed with the problem. So, if you want to do the continuous series, in the question, you will have class intervals. Class intervals are nothing but like this. 0 to 10, 10 to 20. So, like this, you will having class interval. So, then what we should take? Mid values are taken into proceed with the problem. So, how to calculate mid values? In the discrete series, you are having x values. Yes? In the continuous series, instead of x values, they will give class intervals. By using these class intervals, we should calculate mid values. How to calculate mid values? M is equals to midpoints. So here M is equals to lower class plus upper class divided by 2. So what is this lower class and upper class? This is the class interval. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. Yes. So these classes are lower classes and these classes are upper classes. So left hand side we have lower classes, right hand side we have upper classes. So take 0 plus 10, 0 plus 10 divided by 2. Take the average. 10 plus 20 divided by 2. Likewise, you need to find out the mid values. Okay, with the help of mid values, we need to solve the mean. Here, X bar is equals to summation of Fm divided by n. By using class interval, we are calculating mid values. With the help of mid values, frequencies are multiplied, then take the total of that column, then you will get summation of Fm. ఓకే, సో మిడ్ వాల్యూస్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం ఈ ఫార్ములాతో. వచ్చిన వాల్యూస్ ని ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీతో మల్టిప్లై చేసి ఇంకో కాలం అనేది క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం. ఆ కాలం టోటల్ ని summation of Fm అంటాం. ఓకే, సో summation of Fm, total of Fm divided by n. Here n is equals to same like discrete series, summation of F, total frequency. Here also summation of F, that is nothing but total frequency. Clear? So take the screenshot. Let's start practical part of arithmetic mean. Find the mean from the following 10 boys in a class. Their weights are given below. Here given individual weights of boys. Only given individual weights of boys and there is no frequency. Okay, so only single series is given, so it is called as a individual series. So if it is individual series, what is the formula? Here we need to find out the mean in individual series. So what is the formula? If it is individual series of mean, what is the formula? X bar is equals to summation of x divided by n. X bar is equals to summation of x divided by n. So in individual series, here n is equals to number of observations. N is equals to number of observations. Okay, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10. N is equals to 10. And here given values are x values. This series is called x values. So what we should take? Summation of x. Summation means total. You need to take here total of x. So just take the total. 51 plus 52 plus 44, 42 plus 41 plus 40 plus 45 plus 47 plus 43 plus 48. So what is the total here? 51, 52, 51 plus 52 plus 44 plus 42 plus 41 plus 40 plus 45 plus 47 plus 43 plus 48. What is the total here? 453. So total summation of x is equals to 453. So we know summation of x as well as n value. Just apply in the formula. X bar is equals to, what is the summation of x here? 453 divided by n is equals to 10. Okay, so 453 divided by 10, 45.3. 45.3. What is this? X bar value. If it is individual series, this is the calculation process. Okay, coming to this, calculate arithmetic mean from the following. Okay, so this is the second question and here given marks, number of students. So it is discrete series because here given variables as well as frequencies. So here 4 members having 10 marks, 6 members having 20 marks and 8 members having 30 marks. Likewise up to here given data. Marks of the students. So marks are the variables. Number of students are the frequency. Okay, so these marks we need to denote x. Okay, number of students we need to denote f. Okay, now here given values are x values as well as frequency values. Then it is discrete series. Okay, so I'm taking here as it is x values, frequency values. Okay, so x are the marks. These are the number of students. Okay, so I'm taking here x values 10 to 60. Here I have taken x values. Okay, then frequency values 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So these two columns given in the problem itself. Okay, and in discrete series we have a formula. Yes, what is the formula? In discrete series, mean is equals to summation of fx divided by n. because we have variables as well as frequencies. Variables are x values, frequencies are f values. Okay, if you have x and f values, then both are multiplied, you'll get one more column. By using that column, you will get summation of fx. See here, just write down this formula. X bar is equals to summation of fx divided by n. Okay, so in this discrete series, n is equals to total of frequency. In individual series, n is equals to number of observations. In discrete series, n is equals to total of frequency. That is nothing but n is equals to summation of f. Okay, so summation of f is nothing but, you know, the frequency column. Take the total, that is summation of f. Okay, then summation of fx. Summation of fx means, you know, frequency values, you know, x values. Just multiply both columns, you will get fx column. So fx. Okay, after taking this multiplication, take the total, that should be called as summation of fx. If you know this as well as this, these two values are applied in the formula, you will get the mean value. Okay, let's see. 10 into 4, 40. 20 into 6, 120. Okay. 30 into 8, 240. 40 into 10, 400. 50 into 12, 600. 60 into 14, 840. Okay. So after taking multiplication, take the total. That total is, should be called as summation of fx. So what is the total here? 40 plus 120 plus 240 plus 400 plus 600 plus 840. 2240. Okay. Then what is the total of frequency? 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14. 54. Okay. So apply these two values in the formula. So summation of fx 2240 divided by summation of f 54. So what is our answer now? 2240 divided by 54. 41.48. Okay. So what is this? Mean value under discrete series. Clear? So in the next class, I will upload continuous series under arithmetic mean. Okay. If you like this video, share to your friends and subscribe my channel. Okay. Thank you for watching.